What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing how I achieve my high puff. Now getting right into it, you want to start off with some old wash and go or some sort of textured hairdo that is long overdue. And you're gonna grab either a pick or a wide tooth comb like you see me doing here and just add some volume into your hair. Now if you feel like you have enough volume in your hair, then this step you can just skip, but I needed a little bit more just to give the puff a bigger look. Then I'm gonna grab some water and I'm just gonna place that all over the perimeter of my hair. You don't want to overdo it. I don't like to add too much water because then my hair becomes too slippery and then it don't stay, and we want this to stay, okay? All right, so after I do that, I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel. The argan oil one was the one that I had handy, but I typically like to use the olive oil Eco Styler gel. And then I'm just gonna place that all over the perimeter of my hair as well. And then I'm gonna grab a bristle brush and just brush all around my edges, in the back and in the front and all that good stuff. Now this brush is like a medium to hardish type of bristle brush. You wanna use one that can really like get through your hair strands so that it can look really sleek. Then I take a large scrunchie and I usually just cut a big like headband and use it like that. And then I like to tie it. I place it around my head and then I tie it at the front and then I just slide it up all around my head to where I want it to be. Does that make sense? Like I tie it and then as you see me here, you see I'm pushing up the scrunchie so that it's picking up all the hair and placing it into the high puff. Right? Then once I do that, I tighten it some more just to bring up the sides, and then I bring it around back and just tie it, I think once or twice more to just hold it back there. See, like put the hair out of the way, tie it twice just so it can hold, and voila, you got a high puff. Now if you want, this is pretty much the end of the tutorial, but I like to fleek my edges just to give it an extra little spunky look, you know. So I grab a toothbrush and with that same argan oil Eco Styler gel, I just swoop my edges real quick. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in my next one. Bye.